Hello lovely people, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel and compliments of the season to you. Here is a simple Christmas DIY that you can do at home. It is a no-sew DIY. So all you would need is just your drawing. This looks like a Santa Claus's cap, right? On a thick paper. Then you will need your crayons, your pencil crayons, your perforator, your yarn, then your cotton wool. You also need glue. The liquid glue is better, but in this video I made use of the stick glue. So those are just the basic things you will need for this tutorial. Just keep watching, guys. I don't want to say too much. You would understand all that I did in this video. There's no one way about this DIY. You can just do whatever you think is nice for your craft. I colored mine in a slant manner. You can choose any design you want, okay? It's totally up to you. So I will be seeing you guys at the end of this video. Enjoy watching. So in this DIY, I just played with different colors. I would suggest you use pencil crayon because if you use marker, it may soil the paper. Remember, it's a thick paper. So this pencil crayon works very fine. And just keep playing with the colors, create your designs. For me, I created 3 stars, like yellow stars. You can make yours 5 or red stars, anything at all, just do it. This is where creativity comes in. I bet you don't know what I'll be doing next. What do you think, guys? I'll be doing next after this coloring. Just keep watching. And a quick one, if you're joining this channel for the first time, please don't make it your last time. Do me well to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. So watch what I'll be doing next, guys. I'm just like putting finishing touches to this painting, and I've also saw that I didn't trim the um, paper very well, so I was just trying to do that. I was not having my glue here, my liquid glue, so I went ahead to grab my glue stick. But before I start gluing, I would perforate the lower part of this cap. Yeah, it's a cap. From the shape, you will see it's a cap. So the reason for these holes is that I will just be passing my yarn through just to create something beautiful, nothing more. If you are wondering what the length of this yarn is, it's about 10 inches, 10 to 11 inches. You can make yours shorter, you can make it longer. It totally depends on you. So kindly watch how I fix this in, okay? If this video is too fast, I may probably make it slow so you will see how I did it. But I may not be able to show all here because this video would definitely be too long. I will just do some off the camera and I'll return. But first, let me make it slow so you see how I fix this yarn. Another thing about this craft is that it's very interesting. Even I was talking with somebody while I was doing this DIY. It's something you can just do to relax your brain. Yeah, it's not a rocket science thing. So at this point, I was done fixing the yarn. And what can you really say about this DIY? It looks beautiful, right? And in Santa Claus's cap, we usually have the whitish parts, the pom-pom area, which I will be fixing now. As you can see, it's lovely, and that round one is just to garnish it. So this you can hang on your Christmas tree or hang it anywhere around your house because it's actually Christmas. Yeah, it's Christmas. So I perforated that part to fix in the yarn, which I'll be using to hang it on my Christmas tree. Let's go, guys. As you can see, it is very unique. I remember last year I made a candy cane, which I also hung on this Christmas tree. And this year I'm doing this Santa Claus's cap. So you can be creative with anything. These are just like paperwork, and look at how beautiful this looks. You too can try this. Once again, compliments of the season and thanks for watching.